Right, it's a quick video to show you how to build up a set of Dynolight rollers. Inside the box, first thing, got the instructions, all written and also in picture form. Right, first part is part of the front wheel stand with the stirrup that holds the front wheel of the chair. It's the second part of the front wheel stand. This is one of the two tubes that joins the rollers together. That's the second one. One side. That's the other side. To put them together, always use the front of the roller, being where your name is or your logo. One with a thumb screw, that in the front part. Doesn't have to be particularly tight. Second one. Then we'll join on the other side. Just find the thread on one of the thumb screws. Then the same with the second. And then alternately between the two until they're both done up. Don't do up one all of the way and then do the other one alternately. A little bit at a time. Keeps everything nice and straight. With the front wheel stand, if this is done up tight, just loosen it off a fraction. One goes inside the other, slide it down, do it up, little stirrup at the back. This part hooks underneath the front tube, the stirrup goes onto the rear tube, and the same as the other thumb screws, it's done up and screwed together. As the roller's finished, the only thing you need to do is to adjust the length depending on the length of your chair and then retighten. Also in the kit you get the funnel for filling the rollers up with the sand, spare caps just in case you lose them, spare rubber band, and also spare rubber feet because they will wear, especially when the whole set is used on concrete.